everybody, Colleen McCord here.
And Monica Lubert.
Together we are the founders of Canary Skincare and Apothecary. We started Canary to create clean skincare systems that highlight the antioxidant, age-defying properties of full-spectrum, hemp-derived CBD. Along the way, we discovered how nanotechnology is used to increase the bioavailability of active skincare ingredients, which makes the products more effective. One way Canary stands apart is our partnership with high-tech ingredient scientists who are helping us make skincare transformation a reality. Canary Skincare and Apothecary. Trusted innovation for skincare.